Hello friends, welcome back to MVL Creations. Please subscribe to MVL Creations and click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. Today's special recipe is Dhaba style green peas masala. Whenever we are traveling, we usually visit dhabas on the highway. The food really tastes amazing. Let's learn how to prepare such delicious green peas masala today. Make a note of the ingredients. Let's get into the preparations. First, heat a pan, add a tablespoon of oil and one medium-sized onion which is cut into cubes like this. So let's fry this in medium to low flame till the onions turn translucent. Now add the cashew nuts. By adding the cashew nuts, you get the rich flavor in the curry as it tastes in the dhaba or the restaurant. So don't skip this step. Now let's fry in medium to low flame till the onion turns slightly golden brown. So now this looks perfect. We'll turn off the stove, cool the mixture. Once the mixture is cool, let's make into a paste by adding a little bit of water. Now in the same pan, let's add 4 tablespoons of oil and then we are going to add the whole spices, that is cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and the nutmeg. Now add 1 medium-sized onion which is finely chopped. Try to keep the flame medium to low in the whole process. So now the onion looks translucent. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger, garlic and green chili paste. I have taken in equal quantities of ginger, garlic and green chili and I've made a paste out of it. And now let's add this into the onion mixture and fry till the raw smell is gone. It may take around 1 to 2 minutes. Now the onions have turned light brown in color. Now let's add the dry masala. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now let's keep the flame low so that the masalas won't burn. Now add 1 cup of green peas. You can either use the fresh peas or the frozen peas. I have blanched 2 medium-sized tomatoes and made it into a puree. Now let's add this tomato puree. Mix well and cook it for 2 minutes until everything gets along in medium flame. Now add salt according to your taste. Add water as required. You can check the consistency, how much you want and add the water accordingly. Now close the lid and cook for 15 minutes in low flame. Keep checking in between and give it a mix if required. It's almost 2 minutes now. Let's check this. It's cooked well. Now let's give it a good mix. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. You can always add more if you like it to be stronger. Now let's give it a quick mix and cook this in low flame. It's time to add the onion and cashew paste now, which we have made in the beginning of the video. This is going to enhance the flavor by bringing the richness into the recipe. Now mix nicely till everything gets along. Cook this for 2 more minutes until the oil starts separating. Now this looks perfect. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Kasuri Methi. By crushing this in between your palms will enhance the flavor. Now give it a nice mix and turn the flame off. Now the delicious and tasty Dhaba style green peas masala is ready. You can enjoy this as a side dish with roti, chapati, jeera rice, pulao and many more. And this is going to taste exactly the same as dhaba or a restaurant. Do try this recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and support me by sharing this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to MVL Creations. Thank you for watching.